Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, the weekend has made it. Today, I got a couple of fun watch faces that I thought you just might like. These two watch faces that we're going to review today are going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And they're both coming from Tinted Dial. And you know this girl does great work on unique watch faces. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check this watch face out. Now, watch face number one is called Tinted Dial 777. I do like the unique look of this watch face. You get a unique way to tell time. And in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same look, the same design. It's just going to be dimmed down in that mode. Once it's on, you got some animation going on in the center, and it shouldn't burn that much battery at all. You shouldn't have anything to worry about. And you got a nice second hand that's ticking around the center of the watch. Now, down at the bottom, you will get your seconds there. This is going to be your hours over here. You got an arrow pointing to the hour of which time it is. And also over here, that's going to be your minutes. Now, you get some color going on in every area. I thought this was definitely a great, unique look for a watch face, for a casual dress down watch face at that. Now, you can go into it. It is in the active, so you got some shortcuts you can tap into. So here, you'll be able to go into your phone, check your contacts, make a phone call if you so choose. And over here, if you're on your run and you need to go into your music, you can do so there. Down at the bottom, you got your email, and you also got S Voice. So for a casual free watch face, I think this is worth the download. But again, at the end of the day, you know what I'm going to say. It is totally up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know what you think of this watch face. With that, let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two. This one is called Tinted Dial 791. Remember, this one is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right. With this being said, I love the look of this watch face. I love the uniqueness. I do love the design. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look, but I like how the background is going to be blacked out and the window stays the same. It's going to allow you to be able to see the information at a glance with no problem. This is an analog watch face as well. I like the index. I like the floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. If you look slightly down to the right, you can see it. You got some animation going on in the center, and also you got animation going on both sides of the watch face. Now, I do like the analog hand. They do have a premium look to it as well. You're going to get your date right up at the top. You also come down, you got a nice window that gives you your battery info, and also gives you animated heartbeat. And also, you got your running man that's going to give you your step information. So I thought Tina did a great job. But again, at the end of the day, it's all about you and what you thought. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know which watch face you like. Did you like watch face number one, or did you like watch face number two? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, enjoy the weekend, enjoy family and friends, and remember, most of all, be safe. I'll see you all at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.